Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Realme Pad Mini after my first tablet got damaged in the shipping. So that's the reason I did apply for the replacement, and finally the replacement unit has been arrived just now. Let's check out friends what's going on with this Realme Pad Mini. So whether this tablet will be having same kind of damage or not on the back panel, that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. I just want to open this complete seal in front of the camera only. If there's any kind of problem I can definitely give this video for the Flipkart for the reference purpose. That's the reason I'm trying to open complete seal at this moment in front of the camera. So here's the Realme Pad Mini which I got right now. As you can clearly see friends, is the receipt. Let me to keep the bill separate. And let's do the unboxing of this Realme Pad Mini at this moment. Let's see what's happening with this device. I just want to do everything in front of the camera itself. And is a quick impressions. Let me do. Yes, now let's see. So I was waiting for this replacement product friends so that I can actually test so much in-depth reviews on this Realme Pad Mini, but finally the replacement tablet has been arrived just now. I just want to see the back panel of this Realme Pad Mini, whether it's damaged or not. Let's see what's going on in this tablet. So is the tablet itself, and I just want to look at the back panel first. So tablet feels pretty hot right now. On the back side, think nothing. Yeah, no damage present on the back side. So I cannot find any kind of damage on the back side. No damage friends, so it feels pretty good, not bad. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick unboxing impressions about this replacement product, whether it got damaged or not. I just want to double check everything before actually confirming that. Yes, everything looks pretty smooth and good, not bad. Nothing is damaged at this moment. So previous product was damaged exactly in this area, somewhere around here. So that's the reason I did apply for the replacement. So thank you for watching this video friends. See in the next video, finally my tablet has been arrived and there is nothing much damage happened in this tablet. Meanwhile, signing off friends. Thank you for watching. I'll then stay for more updates and bye. The only thing is that the tablet is not like completely flat. It looks kind of something like bent a little bit, the tablet, because when I try to keep the tablet on the table, the middle portion is not touching to the surface. I can actually press it. There's a small gap between the middle portion. I'm not sure how to explain. As you can see, even there's a small gap. You can see this knife. So try to observe. Maybe because of the camera bump, I think so, but not sure what's going on. So I can actually feel a little bit, but I'll definitely do another video friends on the topic, and make sure to stay tuned for those videos. Until then, signing off friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.